The polar bear is what happens when nature decides to build a hypercarnivorous, hyperboreal apex predator, wrap it in a deceptive white coat, and place it at the very top of a frozen world where there is absolutely nowhere to hide. They look like big, fluffy internet icons, but they are actually 1,500 pounds of Arctic juggernaut that regards absolutely everything that breathes as a potential calorie source. These land submarines weigh up to 3/4 of a ton, which is roughly the exact weight of a classic Volkswagen Beetle made of pure muscle, hyperdense fat, and absolute malice. They can hit speeds of 25 miles per hour on land, meaning this massive snow mountain can easily chase down a racing cyclist. But the most illegal part about them? Their fur isn't even white. Each individual hair is a clear, hollow tube that traps solar heat, sitting on top of jet black skin designed to absorb every ounce of radiation from the Arctic sun. They don't just trudge through the snow, they dominate the freezing ocean. They are classified as marine mammals because they will casually swim 60 miles across open, freezing seawater without taking a single break, using their massive 10-inch, dinner plate-sized paws like organic boat paddles. And their detection hardware is completely unfair. You're looking at a vast, empty sheet of white ice thinking you're completely alone in a desolate wilderness, while a polar bear is currently locking onto your position from a mile away. Their sense of smell is so unhinged they can detect the scent of a single ringed seal buried beneath 3 feet of solid, compacted ice and snow. They don't need to see you, they smell your metabolism working. Once they lock eyes on a target, the clock stops. They will stand completely motionless over a seal's breathing hole in the ice for hours in sub-zero tempest winds, waiting for the exact millisecond a target surfaces for air. The moment it does, the polar bear drives its massive forepaws down with enough force to cave in the shelf ice, hooks the prey with 2-inch curved claws, and drags a 200-pound animal out of a hole the size of a coffee mug. If they hunt on land, a single swipe of their paw contains enough kinetic energy to instantly snap the neck of a full-grown bull elk. If you are ever in the high Arctic and you see a large white shape slowly blending into the horizon while keeping its black nose covered with its paw to stay camouflage, do not wave. It has already calculated your exact caloric value. If a blizzard ever achieved apex predator status, it would be a polar bear.